Today we talk about how can you find RealMatch on your Bigo Live app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first to find your RealMatch. So you just go down here, click on shots down here, just click on it. When you just click here on shots, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do next, just click here on RealMatch. You just click here on RealMatch. So when you click on RealMatch, it's going to take you to this list. Here can you accept this matches here, or can you match in this list, and can you accept these people here? When you just click here in this sign, can you accept? So then here can you score, or can you skip these accounts, and here can you accept it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.